everybody, welcome to All About Food. So what I'm going to prepare for us today is a lovely chocolate fridge tart. It is very delicious and let me show you how it looks. There you go. It looks delicious. There you go. Nice chocolate fridge tart with Oreo biscuit base. Doesn't that just look absolutely delicious? Please continue watching the video to see my recipe. So what we're going to start with is the base. Here I've got my dish that I'm going to put the base in. I've got here some crushed Oreo biscuits that I've crushed in a food processor. With this I'm just going to add 3 tablespoons of melted butter. Let's just see. Mix it all nice. Just add some more. I don't like adding everything at once. Sometimes I feel that it makes the biscuits a bit soggy, so I'm just adding a bit at a time. There you can see it already forming lumps. Add the last bit. You don't have to use Oreo biscuits. I'm using this because my family just absolutely loves Oreo biscuits and it goes well with the chocolate tart. So this I'm going to put in my dish like this, and then you spread it so that it covers this black dish of mine. You cannot really see the biscuit base because the Oreo biscuits is already very dark. But yeah, you don't have to use Oreo biscuits. You can use any kind of biscuit. I did spray this dish with some non-stick, so that's why it's moving around like this, but I will work with this. I didn't bear in mind that the biscuit is already going to be a bit oily from the butter. Okay, there you go. It's nice. Now I'm going to put this in the fridge to set while I'm busy with the filling. So for the filling, we're going to need the following. It is marshmallows that I've cut in half. Just show you like this. This you are going to add some whole nut chocolate. I've got 2 slabs here, and you're also going to add about 80 ml of milk. The milk is just to help the marshmallows to melt quicker. This I'm going to put in the microwave until it's melted, and I will show you then how it looks. Okay, so there you have it. I've melted it. It looks delicious like it is now, but first we have to add some. It's a cup of whipped cream that you just going to fold in. The mixture has to be still nice and hot, because if you're going to take too long, it's going to get stiff and it's going to be difficult to fold in the whipped cream. You can see the nice pieces of nuts in the mixture. You don't have to use whole nut. You can use just plain chocolate. Doesn't have to be whole nut. I don't think any other flavor chocolate will work with this. I think the whole nut or the just plain milk chocolate, or maybe dark chocolate. I think dark chocolate will be very nice also. Okay, just fold it in slowly. The cream is going to counter out the sweetness of the marshmallows and of the chocolate. Then it's going to be sweet, but it's not going to be that sweet. Just fold it in. Make sure you don't break the nice bubbles of the cream. I'm going to leave some cream for the end, just to fancy up the tart a bit at the end. So this you're going to pour over your base. Let me just get the base quickly. So there's my base. That, pour it over. Make sure the nuts is nicely scattered in the mixture. Oh, look how nice it looks in the black dish. Okay, let's leave this little bit that's left. Just make it nice. Is going to go to the fridge for, make it 3 hours, just to make sure it's set nicely, and then I'll show you how I'm going to decorate it. Okay guys, so here you've got, here you can see now I've got the fridge tart out of the fridge, the chocolate fridge tart. Look how nice it looks. It's nice and stiff. So what I'm going to do now, I've got this very nice piping bag that I've ordered on Amazon. You will find the link is at our description. So I'm going to use, if you would like to order one, you can do it through us. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to do some piping with cream on the edges of this chocolate fridge tart. I've got a star nozzle, and I'm just going to make some nice dollops of cream. Just like this. You can do any pattern that you would like. I'm still playing with this. So I'm just first going to do it like this. And let's put a nice big one in the middle. There you go. And then I've got some chocolate, some milk chocolate that I've grated. I'm going to sprinkle it in the middle. You can put some nice glazed cherries on top. I only have chocolate at this moment, so I'm using the chocolate. Sprinkle it all around. And then I've got the nice chocolate shavings that I'm going to put on top of the cream. Just like that. There you go. And this is my chocolate fridge tart. I hope you enjoyed, guys. Please remember to like, share and subscribe to our channel and enjoy our recipes.